Hello everyone, this is A.THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Design, and today we are going to see a subject called as Visual Design and Communication. In that we are going to see about the Unit 1 Elements, Principle and Theories of Design, which is that introduction. So actually, introduction to visual design, which consists of elements, gets all semiotics, composition, and typography. I just want to welcome you to the world of visual design. We'll explore the core principle first, then we'll learn to craft the impactful visuals, and this journey will enhance your design skills. Okay. So today's agenda is we are going to see about navigating the world of visual communication, which is the element of design, gets all principles, semiotics, composition, and typography and critique. So the building blocks which are going to see is essential elements of design, which is consist of line, shape, color, texture, space. Line which defines a form or creates a movement, and shape which is a boundaries, forms, figures, and colors which evokes the mood, conveys meaning, and texture which is a surface quality, visual and feel. Now, the understanding perception of gets all principle for organized visual, which is proximity, similarity, closure, continuity. Proximity, which comes under elements close together or group, and similarity, similar elements are perceived as related. Closure, brains completes incomplete forms. Continuity, which eyes follow smooth path. And we are going to decoding the meaning of semiotics in visual communication and culture, which is signs and symbol, which will carry hidden messages. Learn to interpret them, understand cultural context, elevate your design impact. Next one is arranging harmony, principle of composition and layout, which is a balance, emphasis, rhythm, unity. Balance, which is nothing but distributes visual weight evenly, creates stability and harmony. And emphasis, which highlight focal points, directs viewers' attention. Rhythm, which is a repetition, creates movement and establishes the visual flow. And unity, which comes under elements work together, forms a cohesive whole. Next, the art of type, which is fundamentals of typography and readability, which choose appropriate fonts, understand kerning and leading, optimize line length for readability, ensure strong contrast, create visual hierarchy, which is crucial for communication, which impacts readability and aesthetics. Well chosen enhances your message first. Next one is mastering critic, which is a critical evaluation of visual design, which is the observe, analyze, apply principle, interpret, and evaluate. In observe, we are going to initial the impression, analyze, which apply the principles, interpret, which understand meaning, evaluate, which is a constructive feedback. Next one is a key learning for summarizing our visual journey, which is the building blocks of elements, which is the building blocks of design. And next, perception, which is a gets all principle guide perception, meaning, which is semiotics with decodes visuals, and arrangement, which is creating composition, and texture, which is the typography enhances readability. So the further Q&A session, if you are planning, from the further resources of your design path, we can ask several questions, which is kind of ask anything about visual design. We can ask, which mean we are conveying to the students, and online course. We can tell about to do their online course on designing tools, exploring the platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Adobe Illustrator, kind of thing, and design blogs, which is follow smashing magazine list apart, and they can create their portfolio for their kind of thing. And next one is practicing the project, which is apply the concept to build your portfolio, and they can create designing which for different designing websites, kind of logo design, brand identity, etc. So from this, we are going to wind up our session for the unit 1 of introduction of visual design and communication. By manipulating now by combining all this thing, we can create a complete design. Thank you.